Senators debating the magistrate amendment bill yesterday, the goal, modernizing and refining the law to administer a more effective judiciary. The Attorney General used the opportunity in his contribution to highlight a specific element of the court system that's generated significant public discussion. Haldavi's Munnings leads us off tonight with more details.
The risk of retaliation against an accused murderer is grounds to deny bail, both to protect the safety of the public order as well as for the accused's own protection.
Protecting the accused and protecting the society. It's an argument that's generated public concern and criticism about denying bail. Referencing Articles 19 and 20 of the Constitution, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs, Senator the Honorable Ryan Pinder, outlined 3 Court of Appeal murder cases, 1 in 2022 and 2 in 2023, where appellate justices upheld the denial of bail for violent offenders. A trend he commends.
This demonstrates that our law does allow, as it's written now, our law does allow for denial of bail in certain circumstances, and these cases frame the circumstances which are appropriate for such denial. These circumstances are areas where we see public criticism in the granting of bail by our courts. In instances of repeat violent offenders, instances of gang activity, and instances of perceived retaliatory killings.
Attorney General Pinder admonishes the lower courts to study these and other cases and make the appropriate decisions in the denial of bail in certain circumstances.
I think it important to make the point that the grant of bail is not a determination of innocence or of guilt. It is simply an indication that the parameters have been and are in place to assure an accused person's attendance at trial. It should not be for the public to use this as an indication of guilt. It's important to say that. Please avoid the desire to retaliate in crimes. Vigilante activity is also a crime, and our people by and large should avoid the desire to retaliate against those that might have done them wrong.
The Attorney General feels the issue of denying bail isn't only for the judiciary to understand, but for the general public to gain knowledge on the general framework of our laws in granting bail, especially relating to violent crimes. For the Bahamas Tonight, I'm Haldavi's Munnings.